everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanshika, and if you're new to this channel, then do subscribe to my channel below and hit the notification bell. So today's video is going to be really interesting. I am doing this fun challenge named Instagram followers control my day, and I've been wanting to do this for so long, and this is all over YouTube, right? So let's get started with the video. I will be putting up some polls on Instagram, and let's see, you guys decide what to do in whole day, and then I'll vlog it. So if you have not followed me on Instagram, then go do it right now. I will link down my Instagram account as well. And also, this is a disclaimer that a lot of people are DMing me and also messaging me on YouTube that you cannot turn on the notify bell on my channel because there is some issue. So I would suggest that please unsubscribe and subscribe again, then the notification bell icon is working. So do that and let me know in the comment section if it's worked. So let's get started with the video. So I am starting off with my first poll, that is the outfit, and I have chose two different color of outfits for today, and both of them are semi-casual so that I'm also comfortable at my home. So I have put up a poll on Instagram where I ask you guys to choose from a red outfit or a mustard outfit, and let's get started because I want to wear mustard today, but I don't know, you guys decide. So this is how the outfits look like. So I have chosen a mustard tank top with the black jeans and a red tank top with the blue jeans. So I have put up a poll on Instagram. Let's see what you guys decide for me for today. So I will wait for 10 minutes and check whatever percentage is higher and what you guys choose. Then I will change into the outfit and then we will move on to the makeup. So guys, guess what? It's already been 10 to 15 minutes since I put up the poll on Instagram, and I was wondering that you guys select the yellow outfit, but red outfit got more vote. It was a very less difference between both, but red outfit wins. And I just realized that I wore this same top in my last video, but who cares? I'm not popular. So yeah, I just changed into my outfit. I am not so happy about it, but it's okay. So let's move on to the second poll, that is the makeup, that I should do a natural makeup or a bold makeup with this outfit. So I will put up a poll and show you guys and wait for 10 minutes. So this is how the outfit looks like. I wore a blue jeans with a red top and the watch, and of course I am blind, so my specs. So let me do the second poll, that is the makeup, and get back to you guys. Please choose natural makeup this time. I really don't want to do a bold makeup on a holiday so I am just hoping that you guys choose the natural makeup look. So hi you guys, back again. There is something very weird. So when I checked the poll for the first one, the outfit, the red one had 52% and the yellow one had 48%, but suddenly now that I checked, it's like 70 and 40, and you guys have more voted for the yellow outfit. But as I told you that I will only wait for 10 minutes and then check. So for the second poll, I'm really happy. The natural makeup win by a huge difference, and you guys want me to do natural makeup, like a nude makeup. So I will go ahead and do that on the camera. So let's get started. So as it is a nude makeup, I will go in with a very little foundation. Natural nude makeup, so I'm going in with this palette, that is the Maybelline 24K Nudes, and I am going in with the shades that are very neutral. I'll go with this one and then a little bit of this one, and let's see how it turns out. That's it, just a little bit, and then I'll go in with the mascara. Mascara just makes all the difference. And now I'll go in with a nude lipstick. So I am using this one, my absolute favorite from Nykaa, Madras Kapi, and I'll also include this with another one. Guys, now that I'm ready, I have put up a third poll that says Netflix and chill or work and shoot. I really want you guys to select Netflix to be very honest, because it's a holiday day. I don't want to work. I already work 6 days a week. I just want to lie down, rest, and watch a new movie. I was wondering to watch The 100, I guess, which is becoming very popular on Netflix. So let's see what you guys decide. I just put up the poll, so let's wait for 15 minutes and check out the results. So guys, the third poll results are out, and I love you guys. You selected Netflix and chill. More than 70% of people said that please Netflix and chill today because it's a holiday. But those 20-30 people who voted for work, I really hate you guys. Why you want me to work like all day? I don't know. But thank you to 200 people who voted yes for Netflix. And now I am searching for some movies. Now my mind has changed. I don't know if I want to watch The 100 or not. I am very confused. So meanwhile I watched something. I just thought of something else for the poll 4. I will be doing a stay home or go out, but I really want to go out, so I'll probably do a go out poll, but places to eat. So that would be around 4 p.m. Right now it's only 1:30 p.m. and I'll just watch something, I'll sleep, and then I'll get back on to the poll 4 for you guys. So stay tuned. Right now I'm very confused and I've opened all 3: Prime Video, Netflix and Hotstar. Actually I really wanted to watch this documentary right here. This is the Expedition Everest in Hindi. I really wanted to watch this documentary that is for 1 hour.
अगले 2 महीने तक ये दुनिया का सबसे ऊंचा गांव होगा। 5000 मीटर से ज्यादा की ऊंचाई में बना एवरेस्ट का साउथ बेस कैंप इंसान के रहने लायक माहौल वाली लगभग सबसे ऊंची जगह है। पहाड़ चढ़ने वाले लोग कई दशकों से हर साल यहाँ जमा होकर एवरेस्ट की चोटी पर चढ़ने की तैयारी करते हैं।
So I have just woken up. It's 5 p.m. right now, and I will probably do the next poll. I was planning to go out and eat, but I'm not feeling so well. So the next poll would be, should I order at home or should I go out and eat? And let's see what you guys decide. I am confused between Domino's and McD. That's one I want to eat right now. So let's see for the next poll, and for the last poll of the day I'll do something related to skincare. So stay tuned for that. And I just watched the expedition at the Mount Everest, and it's such an amazing documentary. You should watch it. Actually it's about how difficult it is to climb Mount Everest and how many years of experience it takes to do so. And now that US has already put up the world's highest weather signal at the Mount Everest, so that they can predict the future and also check out how our history was and how many years are left with us for the glaciers to melt. It was really great. And after that I took a 2-hour sleep, and this is how I look after I sleep. So for the next poll, head towards Instagram. So after the fourth poll, more than 60% of you said that I should get a home delivery. So I am ordering from Burger King. I have already ordered and my food will be here for like around 40 minutes. So right now I am going for a walk with my mom. So we are going for a walk by nearby park and taking all the precautions. After that I will update you for the last poll. So see ya. So for the poll 4, you guys selected home delivery. I have ordered a burger and french fries from the Burger Club as a home delivery and for me and my father. So I am very excited to eat it. So the last poll is a skincare session or I should clean the mess in my room. So that would be last, and thank you for selecting home delivery. I really wanted to eat from out today. Yay! So thank you for watching, guys. The last poll was a skincare session or I should clean this mess and the other mess on my bed and then sleep. So thank you for participating in this challenge and making it more fun for me. I love doing this the whole day and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for joining in, and do comment, share and subscribe if you like this video, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Bye.